It's never easy recommending a garage door opener motor when there is a limited selection to choose from in its style and design. Since the discontinuation of the LiftMaster 3240 screw drive motor, there truly is only one brand out there for fans of this style of motor, the Genie Company. But with a monopoly like that over the market, this could discourage customers, forcing them to purchase a chain drive motor just to avoid the higher costs from a belt drive model that exists today. Yet there are two screw drive motor options which the Genie Company offers that might be worth your consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Santiago Guerra from SOS Garage Door Service, and this is my review on the Genie Trilogy Pro Series 3064. Let's talk specs. Now, for purposes of this video, we're going to talk mainly about the Genie Trilogy Pro 3064. There is the model 4064, and the only difference in the 4064 is that it offers a little bit faster opening speed, about a 2-second difference, and a 1 1/4 horsepower motor as opposed to the 1 horsepower motor offered in the 3064. Albeit those differences though, the 3064 offers a similar experience and the same reliability from the Genie brand. This motor comes packed with a 140 volt DC motor with soft start, soft stop control, 10-second opening speed, results may vary with the door size, motion detection lighting, maintenance-free screw drive rail assembly. It's compatible with Aladdin Connect smart home device systems. It offers HomeLink and Car2U compatibility. It also offers a lifetime motor screw drive rail warranty. Of course, it's wise to visit the manufacturer website on the limitations and exclusions of that warranty. Now, this is not a biased review. The Genie 3064 is not perfect. The Genie Company has had trouble with their motors in the past, and this has been mainly due to their software. With the induction of DC motors, many manufacturers have utilized digital programming to detect travel limits, door sensitivity, and radio control frequencies. And because this is now the future of garage door motor technology, Genie has also decided to go this route. Now, what some contractors have found is at times the software for programming the travel limits to the motor, they become lost, forgotten, or difficult to maintain. Naturally, an issue like this could fall upon the installer on the initial installation or lack of door maintenance. But again, as manufacturers have moved away from using physical limit switches and electronic contacts, the digital software programming of a motor will still require to work through its bugs. It's kind of the state of technology and where we're at right now at the world. I'm hoping that in the future, as garage door motors become more connected with Wi-Fi networks, they could streamline the bug fixes with a software update. Now, I can't stress enough with the void that LiftMaster has created discontinuing their 3240 screw drive motor. It's allowed Genie to capture this market in a substantial way. To be quite honest with you, I think it's a bad move on LiftMaster's part. But if Genie does this right, they can capture the market with this motor and retain a large number of customers who love a virtually maintenance-free garage door opener motor. Now, if you want more information, please feel free to contact the Genie Company at their website. And of course, for installation and pricing, you can always contact SOS Garage Door Service. We'll leave a link right here. Please, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. SOS Garage Door Service will be providing tips and reviews on garage door motors and garage door technology. So make sure you subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks again for watching. Have a good one.